This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the game is current and responsive. This prevents glitches when closing the journal. Next, open the journal using the on-screen journal icon so you can follow the exact steps. Once the journal is visible, confirm no other menus or dialogues are layered over it because they block the single closure method. If a dialogue is present, dismiss it first. This sets up a clean state so the one proper closure action will work reliably every time. Now do the only reliable close. Tap the journal's designated back arrow in the top left once, deliberately and with a single quick press. This triggers the game to animate the journal closed. Once done, make sure the rest of the HUD returns. If the arrow isn't visible, try tapping a blank area outside the journal pane once instead. If neither works immediately, resist repeatedly pressing. One clean input is often all that's needed to let the game register and finish the close animation. Finish by confirming HUD elements and touch controls respond. That proves the journal closed correctly. If the screen still shows the journal or input is frozen, pause the game and resume to refresh the interface, then try the single back arrow tap again. If pausing fails, reopen the journal and repeat the one-tap close. As a final troubleshooting step, completely restart the app to clear any stuck UI state. This resets the only reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.